Is that good catnip? Yum, 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 yum. The cat wants the catnip. Hey, wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold the phone. That's my catnip. Mischief, who's eating your catnip? Oh, that'd be Roxy eating your catnip.
She's jealous.
Look, here's some more
It's
catnip.
just catty jealousy.
Catnip.
Mischief, you can have some more catnip if you
Rox,
want.
Rox. Whoops. Might have got a little carried away.
She's spilling it all over the place. She really is an addict.
Yeah, I can't.
I hope you scoop up all of that catnip and eat it, Rox.
Mischief's got some. Roxy's got some. Roxy may go take Mischief soon. This will be interesting.
Oh, that would be bad. That'd be like a literal cat fight.
Roxy.
Roxy,
Look.
some on the towel. Go
Look,
eat
Roxy.
that up.
Look. I know, but it's
Rox.
hard. Missy, are y'all both eating catnip?